Hey everybody, this is Chris Thomas with Heatcraft. In today's video, we're going to do the initial startup of an intelliGen controller. And if you may notice, I'm not standing inside of the box right now. I'm standing outside next to our field mount kit, also known as the IFM, which can be mounted up to 40 feet away for easy access. It's mounted on the outside of the box versus being inside on the evaporator. So let's go ahead and get started on setting this controller up. To set this controller up from initial startup, after everything has been powered up, piped, evacuated, and charged, the first screen that you're going to see is for you to input your expert pin number. That expert pin is all 9s, and you put that in 6 times. The next thing that the controller is going to ask you is to configure from. And the default is to configure from the evaporator. You just simply push the button. The controller is going to look for all the equipment you have attached to this controller. It's going to find one evaporator. Just simply select the button. The default name works out just fine, but you can configure to whatever you would like. Freezer, 1A, and then the next menu is for you to select the primary evaporator. What that means is it's looking to find out which temperature sensor is the primary sensor. In this case, it's freezer 1A. We'll select that. The next question is going to be, see you wired? And that's asking you, have you wired the intelliGen controller to the condensing unit? If you have, then you will select yes. If you have not, you will select no. In this instance, we do not. Then it's going to ask you for location information. That's going to be the country. What time zone are you in? Does your time zone recognize daylight savings time? And then we have the year, the month, the day, and the time in hours, minutes, AM or PM. Next important step is going to ask you for the refrigerant type. This is a really important step. Be sure to select the proper refrigerant. If you do not, then your P&T charts are going to be off and the system will not be able to maintain superheat the way that it's supposed to. So in this case, the default is 404A. We'll select that. And then the next step is what sort of EXV do you have in the system? Most everything that we make does have Corel in it. However, we do have systems that have the Sporlan. And we also have this set up that if you want to use it on a system that does not have an EXV, it has a TXV. You can select that as well. So in this case, we'll go back to Corel. We'll select that. In the defrost type, you have a selection of air, medium temp electric, and low temp electric. In this instance, you will select low temp electric. The defrost style, you have 3 different styles to choose from. You have timed, smart, and demand. For this startup, we're going to leave it in timed defrost. The default is going to be the set point is minus 10 degrees. You can adjust that to whatever your application requires. And then you're done. It's going to ask you, the unit's been configured. Do you want to start the system up? Simply just click the button and the system now starts up automatically. This is a very easy controller to set up and everything is all taken care of. As you can see, the light is green. We're good to go. We'll see you next time for more training videos.